The year 2024 has brought forth a remarkable addition to the world of sports cars, the 2024 Lotus Emira 2.0. This striking vehicle, born from the legacy of Lotus, offers an enticing blend of power, precision, and style that is sure to captivate automotive enthusiasts. Let's dive into the details of this stunning machine. The Lotus Emira 2.0 is a testament to timeless design, drawing inspiration from Lotus' rich heritage. It features sleek lines, aerodynamic curves, and an overall aesthetic that demands attention. The exterior has been meticulously crafted, with redesigned bumpers, a distinctive grille, and captivating new lighting elements. The result is a car that exudes sophistication and performance from every angle. Under the hood, the 2024 Lotus Emira 2.0 houses a heart that beats with power. It is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that roars to life with 400 horsepower, ensuring blistering acceleration and exhilarating speed. The precision-tuned suspension and responsive steering make for an engaging driving experience, allowing drivers to feel connected to the road like never before. The Lotus Emira 2.0 is a true driver's car, promising thrills at every turn. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit designed with the driver in mind. The interior of the Emira 2.0 is a harmonious blend of luxury and performance. High-quality materials, plush seating, and meticulous attention to detail create an environment that envelops you in comfort and style. The cabin is thoughtfully designed, with modern amenities and technology seamlessly integrated for both convenience and entertainment. Speaking of technology, the 2024 Lotus Emira 2.0 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with an advanced infotainment system that includes a large touchscreen display, intuitive controls, and connectivity options that keep you connected on the go. The Lotus Emira also features driver assistance technologies to enhance safety and provide peace of mind while pushing the limits of performance. Now the question on many minds is the price. The starting price for the 2024 Lotus Emira 2.0 is set at a competitive $75,000. Making it an attractive option in the sports car market. This pricing strategy positions the Emira as a compelling choice for those seeking a high-performance vehicle without breaking the bank. The Emira 2.0 represents a significant step forward from its predecessor, showcasing Lotus' commitment to innovation. The engine has been upgraded to deliver more power and efficiency, and the chassis has been refined for better handling. The interior has also seen a makeover, with improved materials and technology. Overall, it's a comprehensive update that enhances the Emira's appeal on every front. The Lotus Emira 2.0 doesn't just look the part, it delivers on performance too. With a top speed of 175 miles per hour, it's a beast on the track. As for fuel consumption, it offers a respectable balance between power and efficiency, with an estimated 22 mph in the city and 30 mph on the highway. Lotus has not compromised on safety. The Emira 2.0 is equipped with a suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies work together to keep you safe on the road, whether you're enjoying a spirited drive or navigating daily traffic. In conclusion, the 2024 Lotus Emira 2.0 is a triumph of engineering and design. With its powerful engine, captivating exterior, luxurious interior, and advanced technology, it offers a well-rounded package that caters to the desires of sports car enthusiasts. Priced competitively and boasting improvements over its predecessor, the Emira 2.0 is poised to make a significant impact in the world of high-performance automobiles. It's a true embodiment of Lotus' dedication to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive realm.